Hello students, today I am going to explain you about buoyancy. So what is buoyancy? About this we are going to explain today. What is this word means? What does the word identifies? Let's see. So what is buoyancy? Buoyancy is an upward force exerted by a fluid that opposes the weight of an immersed object in a column of fluid. Pressure increases with depth as a result of the weight of the overlying fluid. So what is buoyancy? Buoyancy is the force exerted by a fluid that opposes the weight of an immersed object. For example, I am giving a object P or giving a object of mass M in some fluid. Then what will happen? The object will have some mass. That weight will be that weight object, that much weight of water, that much mass or that much volume of water will be replaced when the object will get inside. That much up the water will get replaced. That pressure or that force what the water will apply on the object, that force is known as buoyancy. Buoyancy is the opposing force which is applied by the object when any object applied by the fluids when any object is immersed on liquid. So I hope you have understood what is buoyancy. Buoyancy is the upward force exerted by a fluid that opposes the weight of an immersed object when the object is put inside some fluid. Now for example, you see the bottom of the fish is deeper, so there is more force pushing up on upon it a buoyancy. So what they are telling, when you will see each and every fish downside is what? Flat. Why? Because it is flat, because when the surface will be more force will be applied, then the force whatever will be applied, it will be on a large surface and the fish can float on water. Now how to measure the buoyant force? Weight of an object in air minus weight of object in water equal to upward buoyant force. For example, you are taking two objects. You have taken one object like this in one place in a jar and another object directly in water. When you will put the object on water, then what will happen? You will get some weight, and when directly you will take the object in air and you will take it, then you will get some weight. This weight, the weight you will measure on air minus the weight whatever you will get on water, that is known as upward buoyant force. The buoyant force is equal to the weight of the displaced water. Or you can measure like this: you put some object in water and some water level will increase. That water level you take and you measure the water level and you will get the buoyant force. Now you see some example. When you will stand on water, what will happen? You will directly get inside. But when you will float on water, what will happen? That time when you will sleep, just lie on water, then what will happen? You will just float on water. Like this, buoyant force depends. So I hope you have understood what are the buoyant forces, what is buoyancy and what are the buoyant forces.